Welcome to the Seriously Sweet Room Tour aboard Virgin Voyages Brilliant Lady, where luxury meets playfulness at sea. We're going to first come straight in and let you see a pan of the room, and then I'll get right into the details. Back at the entrance, you have the room controls, the thermostat, the light switches, and the controls for privacy and housekeeping. If you want privacy, you press the top button and it'll turn red, indicating that you do not want to be disturbed. And if you press the bottom button, it'll turn blue, indicating that you want your room attendant. As you move further into the room, there is a very small desk with 4 drawers, and above it is one European plug outlet and one American plug outlet. You have a wall TV that is controlled by the tablet on the nightstand, and I'll show that in a minute. Next to the TV is a fully stocked, full-size, in-suite bar, along with a record player. The record player has a few selections for your listening pleasure. It's also Bluetooth compatible, so a few times while we were getting ready, we just played music from our phone. With the bar, you have your pick of glasses to choose from, as well as your pick of alcohol. They also provide carafes of sparkling water as well as still water, along with ice. Below the bar is a mini fridge that is also stocked with alcohol, along with a few sodas, Red Bulls, and kombuchas. You also have a few more drawers for storage. Over in the corner is the only chair in the room. Also in this corner is the closet. It has several drawers along with several shelves. You have a lot of hangers, and if you need more, just be sure to ask your room attendant. The right side contains the safe, and it also has a few baskets for you on the top shelves. The room has a king-size bed, and on either side is a nightstand. Above the bed, you'll see a peekaboo window, which allows you to see into the bathroom and vice versa. There is a space underneath the bed for luggage storage and other items. Above each nightstand, there is an American plug outlet and 2 USB-C plugs. The light switches are on either side of the bed as well, which is a nice touch. This tablet not only controls the TV, but the lights as well. You can also call for housekeeping and order room service through it. The Seriously Suite is part of the RockStar Quarters tier on Virgin Voyages, meaning it's a luxury suite category with elevated amenities. That just means you get a lot of good stuff. So let me tell you what you get. You get early booking, which means you get early bird privileges for booking excursions and dining at restaurants before other sailors. You get VIP embarkation and disembarkation, which means rock stars board and get off the ship before any other sailors. You also get a RockStar agent, which is a person assigned to you to make sure that your cruise is immaculate. Our agent was Alfredo, and he was fantastic. Think of it like a personal butler who helps you with anything you need and want. So, for example, he booked any show that we wanted to see. He also booked a few dinner reservations for us that we wanted. You also get access to Richard's Rooftop. This is an exclusive area on Deck 17 that is only for rock stars and mega rock stars. It has a bunch of seating, a couple of hot tubs, and its own bar. They also had a bar happy hour every night from 5 to 6 that we were able to attend. Also with the room, you get a fully stocked, full-size in-suite bar. Now keep in mind, this isn't all you can drink. So in other words, the first round is on Virgin, but once a bottle is empty, then they aren't going to give you another one for free. You have to pay for any round after the first. Another perk as a rock star, we get priority access to most of the shows. So you're granted access to a separate, dedicated line for shows, which allows you to enter the venue before the other sailors. Also, you get your room service fee waived. If you order any kind of room service, the delivery fee is waived when you are in a RockStar room. And finally, you get access to the RockStar retreat in Bimini. So if one of your ports is in Bimini in Bahamas at the beach club, then you get access to the RockStar retreat, aka Richard's Retreat. This is a private area that includes additional food and drinks that are unavailable to other sailors. So those are all of the perks that you get when staying in a suite and you are a rock star. Now we come to the bathroom. I think this has to be the biggest bathroom we've ever had on a cruise ship before. There is a ton of counter space as well as more space below the sink. So that you aren't totally exposed, the toilet has its own space with a door that slides closed for you. There is a separate area for the shower, which has a rain shower and a separate sprayer. It has a seat, and there's that peekaboo window I was telling you about earlier. So while you're taking a shower, you can see into the room, and you can also be seen from the room. They give you robes and slippers as well. The robes have the word Rockstar printed on the back and XOXO on the front. And finally, the best part of the entire suite, the balcony. It has 2 chairs and a table so that you can come out here and enjoy your meals or drinks, or just come out and hang out. And in the corner is that infamous red hammock. Thank you for watching our tour of the Seriously Sweet Cabin. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for all of our travel and cruise content.